Hey, what's up everyone? It's been a while. So, we're out in the south. We drove down yesterday and it was a 7-hour drive. I got a blister on my foot from driving. So, yeah, it was pretty long. And I woke up this morning really early. This is our pit stop, our first pit stop. And I wanted to get some sunrise, but yeah, you can see it's foggy. There's so many horses. So many horses, pretty horses. And the owner of the property was kind enough to let me fly the drone on their property. And I also checked the restrictions. And there's no restrictions here. So I'm gonna get some really dramatic footage